Pala nang dodong o dagan na kasi nabitbit nga chocolate oh. Okay. Dodong. Go inside dong. Okay. Egg hunting.
Let's open our egg.
Kabalok na dong be. Narayan na ko ang itlog oh. Ang chocolates. Empty naman na dong. Ate. Dodong. You ready for egg hunting today?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Okay. You go. Hunt the egg.
I have the egg for Dad
Yeah.
and me.
Easter Sunday. Yep. There's an egg. Dadang, how are you, Dadang? Yeah. Have a look. Whoop. Oh, come on. Bring. Look. Look. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Oh, oh.
Wow.
Okay. Egg hunting. Wow. What's that, Dong? Huh? Look. Wow. Wow. Very big. It's very big. Oh. Wow. How about yours, Dadang? Man. Man. Pick it up. Oh, man here. Come on here, Dong. Oh. Man. Oh. Just with your little brother. Egg hunting. Yep. Oh, Dong, pick it up. Pick it up. What's yours? Pick it up, egg. Oh, come on.
I got a lot.
Come on. Oh. Hey, you go back there. Why? Sulod din mong kanji ka pa cute. Oh, come on here. Come on here. Lib, ate, tundodong. Ah, come on here, Dong. Come on. This egg, Dong. Eh, big one, Dong. Come on here. Come on, ate. Oh, very big. How about Dodong? Dodong ah. Dodong, give it to Dodong. Give it to Dodong. Give it to Dodong. Pass it to Dodong, yeah. Oh. There's more. There's more. Give Dodong. Oh. There. Another. Oh. 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 Yay. Oh. Habalok pa. There's something more. There's more. Nothing in there. Okay. Okay. Come on here, Dong. Come back. Hey, habalok be.
Bye-bye, guys. Look at my basket. It's very full.
Very full day na day. How about to, Dong? Saan na imo day, Dong? Eggshell man na imo, Dong. Asa naman ka uli na ka, Dong? Bye-bye na, Dong. Bye-bye, nak-nak. Okay. Come on na, let's go home. Go back. Come on, here. Go back to mama. Okay. Bye-bye, guys.